little update on the Metro. This is a great phone holder. Uh, anyway, it's in here. Doesn't block my dash. Doesn't block my radio. Doesn't block my vents. Great. Hangs onto my phone over cheddar bumps and everything else. Great upgrade. Highly recommend. And it also sits like right here, so it's not blocking any of my things. Easy to reach. Oh, let's see. Threw this in here. Little wham bam cam. Works great. Turns on with the car, turns off with the car. Same with the Bluetooth. Turns on with the car, turns off with the car. It's great. Did this little upgrade. There's a guy on eBay. Sorry, I don't remember your name right now. You're known. They make these things out of, they 3D print them out of better plastic. They're crazy strong. Nice upgrade. Little expensive, but worth every penny. You know, I think it's 2 bolts that hold it in. So yeah, camera, yada yada. There's that upgrade there. Oh, this has been great. Holding great. No whistles, no drips at all. Driven through rainstorms. Let's see, 45-mile-an-hour winds. The car doesn't like it. When you're going against 40-mile-an-hour wind gust, you notice it when you only have 50 horsepower. But it is no raindrops at all in here. And then and I've been in a heavy downpour. You expect you're gonna get a wet butt when it's, I think it was 1.2 inches an hour. That's a lot of rain. That's heavy rain. And no drips inside, no rain. It was great. Not even inside, not even down here. You're supposed, in the factory they have it where it goes right down here in the factory. Nope. A little foam thing held great, and it went right down the door and right out the bottom, exactly like I wanted it to. I have new mirrors. They're not smashed yet, but they're 90s plastic, and they don't fold, so somebody will probably bump into it and break a mirror. I got them, they're in boxes. Also have a coil and spark plug wires and spark plugs and just shaver cap, you know, basic tune-up stuff. Everything's running great, so that all stays in boxes. When it doesn't run great, I'll go back to the house, throw it in. I like to have spare parts on hand, so you're not totally screwed if something happens on like a Sunday night. If you can just make it back to the house, you can throw it in. Same timing belt, I got it set up so if the timing belt goes, I can just grab it from the trunk and throw it back in. Keeping stuff easy. Fuel filter, moved it from back to up front. This is a Wix 33310. It's from a 94-ish Isuzu, whatever the heck you want to tell the parts guy. The Isuzu puts out like 30 psi. This puts out like, I don't know, something low. It's TBI, so it's like 14 or 15. It's something crazy low. Yeah. Oh, went down the road, threw some new brakes in. Here's my old rotors. They're a little tore up. Hello. So they're a little tore up. I was getting a little bit of vibration. Let's see it. Not too much wavy, but they were wavy enough. So I just went down the road, bedded some new pads and rotors in. What was it? 30 mile an hour light braking, do a couple of those, and then 45 to 60 mile an hour. You do some hard braking, hard stopping, see if you got any pulling left or right, and do 2 or 3 of those, and then you just let everything cool, and that's what I'm doing right now. So let it cool for like 30 minutes, and then you're good to go. So that's basically how I bed in brakes. I usually hit them. This car only did it like 50 because I'm only going like half a mile, and then I got a turnaround. And this car, it's a bit of a pain to get up. My other ones I can get up to 50 a lot faster. So I only did it at 50s, a couple 50s to zeros, and then just brought it back to the house, and it's cool right now. But no pulls, all good. No pulls, no vibration, all good. Bearings are good. You can see, you're hearing the dirt. I got a little bit of a patch in my driveway that's has a little bit of dirt in it, so I'm picking up some dirt on my little tires here. But this is a pavement pounder. I take it down some dirt roads, but not enough. So it works great. little kicker car. I'm running out of stuff to do, so I'll start playing with my other projects. There's an axle for another project. One more. So yeah. Yep, pretty basic. A little update. I like it. No fun little kicker car. Turns heads every now and then. So that's what I need it to do. It's good. There's your update.